Hi Fit Fam. For those of you that don't know me, my name's Dan. I'm one of the trainers here at Stepz Fitness in Dapto, and I'm going to be taking you through your workout for today. We have 5 exercises. We have options for beginner, intermediate and advanced. Beginners, you'll do 10 reps of each exercise. Intermediate, you'll do 20 reps of each exercise. And advanced, you'll do 30 reps or more. Okay, so let's get into it. First exercise, hip thrusts. So laying down on your back, feet flat on the ground, hands out to the side and palms facing up. So from here, pushing through your heels, squeeze and return. Thrust up, squeeze, return. Up, squeeze, return. Okay, so as we have the luxury here of weights, dumbbells, you may not have that. So grab yourself a water bottle, anything that's safe to use, that adds a little bit of weight, and that way we can add intensity instead of adding reps. Or do both. Okay, so resting the weight on your hips, same exercise, pushing through your heels, squeeze, return. Up, squeeze, return. Up, squeeze, return. Remembering, beginners, we'll do 10 reps, intermediate, 20 reps, and advanced, 30 reps. So today, between exercises, beginners, you'll have 30 seconds between exercises. Intermediate, you'll have 20 seconds between exercises. And advanced, you'll have 10 seconds rest between each exercise. So moving on to our next exercise, we're going to do good mornings. So without weight, hands crossed, arch in your back, okay, slight bend in your knee, and bend down, okay, up, down. So using hamstrings, glutes, and core in this exercise, okay, down as far as you can go while still keeping your form up top. Okay, so again, we've got the sandbag here, strength bag. You may not have one of these. Again, grab a bigger water bottle, small child, go to Bunnings, get a sandbag, literally a bag of sand, $6, cheap, right? So cradle your weight, hold on to it, arch in your back, slight bend in the knee, same movement, okay? Again, adding resistance and intensity without adding reps. Easy. Okay, moving on. Next exercise, we either love them or we hate them. There's no in between here. Burpees, okay? We have options for beginners and advanced, and I'll show you a couple of variations on how you can do it. So beginners, and you want a little bit less intensity, okay? Down, legs out, back under, stand, okay? Beginner's version. A little bit more advanced, under, add jump in, okay? When we go out, straight through the core. When we come back, I'd like to see feet directly under, push up through your heels, ready for the jump. Okay, and then the advanced version, down, press, under, jump. Okay, there we go. Remembering, beginners, 10 reps, intermediate, 20 reps, advanced, 30 reps. Okay, moving on, next exercise, push-ups. I'll give you 3 variations again for beginner, intermediate, and advanced. So we'll start with our beginner. Knees on the ground, hands a little bit wider than shoulder width, while still keeping your hands directly below your shoulders. We want a straight line through your shoulder to your knees, right? Straight down, 90 degrees to the elbows, up. Okay, right there. Bracing core, up. Inhale on the way down, exhale on the press up. Okay, beginners, 10 reps. For intermediate, we're just going to lift one leg. Same idea, through the core, nice and straight. Exhale on the way up. 20 reps for intermediate. Okay, Now we're going into advanced, straight lines through the core, down to 90 and up. Exhale, exhale, and up. Right, so there's 4 of your 5 exercises. Last one, nice little bit of cardio, jumping jacks. In and out. Okay, add speed, a little bit more intensity, slow it down, not so bad. So for jumping jacks, 1 minute for beginners, 1.5 minutes for intermediate, and 2 minutes for advanced. So there you go, Fit Fam, there's your workout for the day. As always, warm up before, hydrate, and get at it.